In this module we will introduce surface modeling, which allows you to create and edit associative surfaces and NURB surfaces. In this class we will understand fundamental concepts for working with surfaces. To begin with, open the available file and we will understand some concepts about creating surfaces. A surface model consists of thin walls that do not have putty or volume. AutoCAD provides two types of surfaces, procedural and NURB surfaces, both normally created with splines. The spline command creates a smooth curve, which passes through or near a set of adjustment points, or which is defined by the vertices in a control frame. NURB surfaces are edited through control vertices, while procedural surfaces are edited through adjustment points. By default, the adjustment points coincide with the spline, while the control vertices define a control frame. Note: to display or hide the control vertices, we select or deselect the spline. We can also use the kshow and khide commands, present in the Surface tab, Control Vertices panel. Surfaces can be associative or non-associative. If associativity is active, when we create a surface, it maintains the link with the curve from which it was generated. In this case, when we change the spline, the surface will be changed automatically. We can create surfaces with the same tools used to create solids, such as sweep, loft, extrude and revolve. We can control the continuity of the surface via the icon in the graphic area or the command line. Continuity is a measure of how smooth two bends or surfaces flow with each other, and their types include G0, position, includes positional continuity only. G1, tangency, includes positional and tangential continuity, G0 plus G1. G2, curvature, includes positional, tangential and curvature continuity, G0 plus G1 plus G2. Another important item on surfaces is the magnitude of the projection, which is a measure of how much the surface curves, or how much overhang it presents when it flows to another surface. To better understand what magnitude is, we will change it by accessing the Properties command, clicking Select Objects and pressing Enter to confirm. Note that the surface is selected. In Start Edge Continuity we change the continuity of the first surface, alternating in G0, G1 and G2. In Start Edge Bulge Magnitude we change the value of magnitude, and its default value is 0.5. In End Edge Continuity we change the continuity of the last surface, alternating in G0, G1 and G2. In End Edge Bulge Magnitude we change the value of magnitude, and its default value is 0.5. Test and compare the results, alternating in G0, G1 and G2 in the same model. We conclude that it is possible to create complex models, varying the continuity and magnitude of objects to be modeled with surface resources. Another very important possibility in creating surfaces is that of converting solids and meshes to surfaces. The workflow for modeling begins with the creation of the model through solids, meshes and procedural surfaces. Then the model is converted to NURBS with the command convert to surface. In this way, we take advantage of the tools available for editing solids and meshes, and the formatting options that surfaces offer. We finish this class, where we present the main concepts for creating surfaces in AutoCAD 2017.